Welcome to the Authentic Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada.
Number two.
This is the Authentic Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2. It's a Nedbank Cup semi-final. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good. Your take on the game tonight?
Yo, I'm so wonderful, very happy.
Wonderfully so.
Wonderfully so.
Yeah.
Very happy. Yo,
Yeah.
this is a history. We made a history today, Shem.
Yeah.
I'm so
After
happy.
a very long time.
After a very long time.
Yeah.
And we are taking this cup.
You're taking this cup?
We are taking it.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Kosi Nation.
Kosi for life.
Kosi for life.
Who impressed you the most tonight?
Duba. The
of the
goal,
match.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ukorile.
Ukorile.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sister.
Thank you.
Uncle.